We're going to do a brief video of EUR USD. That's EUR USD Analysis Today. And we've got a daily chart of the euro versus the dollar on here for you with a green 5-day moving average. It's really hard to see. A red 20-day moving average and a blue 200-day moving average. We can see if we go back a little bit that in June of 2021 we entered a bear market for this currency. Stayed a hard bear market ever since. You can also see how this market trades. It tends to follow the 20-day moving average pretty good, as most currencies do, and comes down. When it gets oversold, it goes sideways. Comes down, gets oversold, goes sideways. What it's doing is it's moving down but working its way back so that it stays relatively close to the 200-day moving average, and it does it so the participants know exactly what's going on. You can see we had a challenge, or a slight little challenge here around February 22 to the moving average, and promptly sold off sideways, sold off sideways. That's just basically what this market does. Sold off here sideways, and now we got what I would say is a smaller sell-off, which leads me to believe maybe we're going to rally to challenge the 200-day. So let's take a look at this real quick. This is September 6th. We put in a low of 98.63. Is that the low for this bear market? I don't know, but it certainly did not sell off like it normally would. The distance that it sold off was not very much. It was muted, and that tells you there's some let's expand this a little bit. Tells you there's some serious buying interest right in this area right here. You can see it right in here. You can definitely see that there's some people stepping up to buy this currency. So what do I think? I think that probably we'll get a rally in this range here, the 1.04 area. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm saying it's a potential. In my opinion, it looks like you could get that kind of rally, and could get it probably by the first week, maybe in end of September, first week of October. I don't think you're going to get a full challenge to the 200-day moving average. I think that's too much, but I think you could get a 1.04, roughly maybe 1.03 target rally, and that looks reasonable to me. For entertainment purposes only, it's just my opinion, but it looked like we ran into some good support right here, and that was different than what we've seen before. So that's my best guess right now, but again, entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risks. It's all for entertainment. Let's take a look at what RBAM Research, with their algorithmically generated entry prices, says for the euro today. We'll scoot down here real quick. The euro, it says to buy at 99.67. And it says that all the way across the board. The way these work, we have entry periods, or holding periods, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days. This is out today, and they come out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. So it's today saying 99.67, 0.9967. Let's go check it out. 0.9967. 0.9967. So it did hit that, and it's showing some pips. It's showing some profits today, so you could get out today if you wanted to. Maybe a little premature, but it does show a profit today. Went down to 0.9955, and your entry was 99.67. Again, for entertainment purposes only, but we are looking at a trade for discussion purposes only. Let's take a look here. We're right here. So essentially how this works is, if you were to buy in the 1-day column, buy today, take your profits as soon as you get it, close out worst case at a loss, the end of trading tomorrow. Same thing for the 2. Let's go to the 5. If you were to buy here, you'd hold for 5 days and close it out of a loss at the end of the 5th day if you didn't get a profit sooner. You always take your profits as soon as you can get them, and close out worst case at the 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods just before the market closes on those days. That's how these work. Sometimes these prices are different. As you can see, if you scoot across here, you'll see some of them. In this case, the Aussie versus the dollar, they're different, and in some cases they're the same. Basically what happens here is this is designed to give you a higher number of winning trades, a higher percentage of winning trades the longer you hold it. Keep in mind, it's all hypothetical, and it's all for entertainment purposes only. But you can get these every morning before 7 a.m. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the currencies I just showed you, we cover 190 stocks. We cover crypto, BTC, and we cover the most liquid futures contracts. There's a link in the description below. Takes you to rbamresearch.com, and you can sign up. No cost, no credit card required. Please leave a comment in the comments section and tell us whether or not you like technical analysis and you like these moving averages, or you don't, and tell us why. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own analysis, and you trade at your own risk. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe if you want to see more.